Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. And today I'm going to take you around this beautiful 2-bed, 2-bath villa here in Sucina. Walking into this beautiful open villa, you've got these high ceilings that creates a lovely spacious atmosphere. You've also got enough room here for a nice living room and dining room, and just to the end there you've got your kitchen. The kitchen is open plan, which is perfect because you've got a nice breakfast bar here for enjoying your meals in the morning. You've got the dining area just there, which you can serve straight from the kitchen. And if you want to eat al fresco, you've got 3 possible places that you can choose from. You've got the front terrace, you've got the back terrace, and you've got this, your upstairs private solarium. This is perfect for maybe putting in an upstairs outdoor kitchen here, or if you just want to enjoy the sun all day, this is also a prime location. Now back downstairs you've got your 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Here is your master bedroom with built-in wardrobes to the side and your private ensuite bathroom too. And this is your spare bedroom. Also comes with built-in wardrobes to the side, enough room for a double bed or 2 single beds, and also you've got air conditioning for a duct system throughout the property. This comes with cooling and heating throughout the year. Now at the back of the property you've got this large open space, perfect for maybe putting in your own private swimming pool, or if you want a nice outdoor dining experience, this is a great location too. And at the front of the property you've also got a lot of space. You've got a nice dining area here, bench on the side, and you've got off-road parking too. Well, that's it from me here today in Sucina, but if you want any more information about this property or any other properties that we have on our list, make sure you check out our website at www.keystyleproperties.com. And make sure you like, comment and subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest property videos. Well, my name's Adrian Cockings. I'll see you next time.